जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
खुशियाँ नग में बिखेर रही है, खुशियाँ नग में बिखेर रही है। दबे पाँव आकर कुछ कह रही है। आज का दिन बड़ा ही खास है क्योंकि कार्यक्रम में पधारे स्वयं आप है। तो दिल से करते हैं आपका स्वागत, अभिनंदन और वेलकम, क्योंकि आप आज इस कार्यक्रम की शान है। तो जोरदार तालियां अपने लिए। और कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत से पहले वंदन करते हैं अपनी मातृभूमि का और एक बार मिलकर बोलते हैं जय हिंद।
Jai Hind and a very good evening to everyone. Welcome to our annual day celebration 2025 of Delhi Public School, Nasik, presented by the Chetna Wing. Today, we come together for a grand showcase that will celebrate creativity, innovation and the spirit of learning.
I can feel the energy in the air this evening. Welcome to the annual day program, where we are about to embark on an exciting journey of talent, teamwork and transformation.
Quantum science and technology, dare to dream. The theme for our annual day beautifully encapsulates the spirit of a future driven by innovation and imagination. It inspires us to think beyond limits, where science and creativity merge to open endless possibilities.
पारंपरिक कला से लेकर आधुनिक वैज्ञानिक सोच तक, साहित्यिक रचनात्मकता से लेकर तकनीकी प्रगति तक, यह वार्षिक उत्सव उसी संगम को प्रतिबिंबित करता है। हम अपनी जड़ों को संजोते हुए भविष्य की दिशा में आगे बढ़ते हैं ताकि युवा वर्ग एक उज्जवल और समृद्ध भारत के निर्माण में योगदान दे। आज हम सब यहाँ एक ऐसे सफर पर चलने वाले हैं जहाँ विज्ञान और कला का एक अद्भुत संगम होगा। हर कण से हर क्षण तक एक ऐसी प्रस्तुति जो आपको एक अनूठी दुनिया में ले जाएगी।
Dear parents, as we said the protocol at the beginning of every class, we also have a simple protocol for today's program. Let's go through it together. First, please cheer for every performance and every performer. Your applause encourages our performers. Second, kindly remain seated throughout the event. Photos and videos of the program will be shared with you, so there is no need to move around for recordings. Third, please do not request any performer to leave early after their act. All performers will be part of the final culmination and we want them to stay till the end. Thank you for your cooperation.
So as we embrace our roots and look to the future, this celebration reminds us that every young mind here is a spark of brilliance, ready to contribute towards building a brighter tomorrow. Quantum science and technology, dare to dream, calls us to unite in a festival of knowledge, creativity and aspiration.
Before we begin our journey through this domain of knowledge and creativity, let us first invoke the blessings of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and the divine symbol of auspicious beginnings. We are delighted to share that our students presented this very Ganesh Vandana at the Jackfruit Songsters event in Bangalore, organized by Jackfruit Calling and curated by Shubha Mudgalji and Alish Pradhanji. Among 150 selected students, our proud Dipsides presented 11 songs in 8 different languages. one of which is this prestigious Ganesh Vandana. May His divine presence guide us smoothly through today's program and fill it with positivity and success.
After the Ganesh Vandana, we shall continue by seeking the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, the embodiment of wisdom, learning, and the arts. Saraswati Vandana is not just a ritual, it is a prayer that enlightens our minds and inspires our creativity. Let the serene notes of Ganesh Vandana, followed by Saraswati Vandana, resonate in this hall, blessing us with clarity, vision, and divine grace.
भावयामि शक्तिसहित गणपतिं शङ्करादिसेवितं विरक्त सकल मुनिवर सुरराजविरुत गुरुगुहं राजविरुत गुरुगुहं राजविरुत गुरुगुहम्
and dance group for a beautiful and soulful presentation. Your dedication and harmony truly set the tone for today's program. This evening becomes even more significant as we are graced by the presence of auspicious guests whose association brings honor and pride to the DPS family.
It is a moment of immense pride for me today, as I have the honor of introducing my father as the guest of honor, Shri Pradeep Mairare, currently serving as Assistant Commissioner of Police, Sakinaka Division, Powai, Mumbai, is an accomplished officer from the MPSC batch of 2015. He has served with distinction in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Nashik, Dhule, and Varda, and is widely known for his dedication and his leadership skills. Now, and is widely known for his dedication and his leadership skills. Mm, He's this truly makes me feel proud to invite him today at this ceremony.
Along with our chief guest, we are privileged to be joined by respected members of our DPS family. We extend a warm welcome to Mr. Gautam Rajgharia Sir, Pro Vice Chairman of DPS Varanasi, DPS Nashik, DPS Lava Nagpur and DPS Hinjawadi, whose visionary leadership and commitment continue to guide the growth and excellence of these esteemed institutions.
We are equally delighted to welcome Ms. Sanjana Rajgaria ma'am, Director, Creative and Communication, whose innovative approach and creative insight play a vital role in enriching student experiences across the DPS group. Adding warmth and grace to the occasion, we also welcome Ms. Shweta Rajgaria ma'am, the architect of our school. Her gracious presence adds charm and dignity to the celebration.
Ladies and gentlemen, with such esteemed personalities among us, we are truly honored to begin this grand celebration.
As we begin this annual day celebration, we mark the moment by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom, a symbol of enlightenment and the triumph of light over darkness. May I now respectfully invite our guest of honor, respected Pro Vice Chairman Mr. Gautam Rajgharia Sir, Director, Creative and Communication, Miss Sanjana Rajgharia Ma'am, Miss Shweta Rajgharia Ma'am, and our Honorable Principal Ma'am to kindly come forward and grace the ceremonial lamp lighting.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Witnessing the lamp lit is a reminder for all of us. The flame, forever rising upwards, symbolizes our quest for wisdom, growth, and resilience.
A heartfelt thanks to our respected guests for leading this luminous start. As the light radiates, may it guide us through our evening and inspire every young mind here to dream, create, and achieve.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. This evening we are privileged to have with us distinguished personalities whose work has inspired many. On behalf of everyone present here, we extend our heartfelt appreciation and a warm welcome to them.
Now, I would like to request Miss Sanjana Rajgaria ma'am to kindly felicitate Miss Vivavari Mayurari ma'am.
As we conclude the felicitation ceremony, once again we thank our esteemed guests for their invaluable contributions and for gracing us with their presence today.
With this auspicious beginning, we now officially declare the Annual Day 2025 open and move ahead with our planned program.
Before we proceed further, it is our privilege to invite a visionary leader whose guidance continues to shape the growth and excellence of our DPS institution. May I respectfully call upon Honorable Pro Vice Chairman Mr. Gautam Rajgaria sir to share his words of wisdom with all of us.
Good evening and Jai Hind everyone. Our respected guest of honor, Principal Ma'am, dignitaries, our wonderful teachers, dear parents, and my most amazing students. It fills my heart with joy to stand here before all of you today. Our annual function is never just a show. It is a reminder of who we are as a community that believes every child carries a spark, a talent, a potential that even they have not fully explored yet. We are all born with possibilities, right? And sometimes these possibilities are far bigger than we can imagine. We call it different names. Some of us will call it talent, some will call it destiny, some will maybe call it God's will. But the gift that God has given inside each of us, that spark is something special. But as we all know, life keeps us busy. Exams hai, responsibilities hai, and sometimes we forget to look inside that shining star that is shining really bright inside each one of us. That brings me to a very interesting story. There was once a village, and in that village, there was a big piece of stone which was lying there. And every day villagers would just go about their duty. वो stone पड़ा था, लोग रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी जी रहे थे, बच्चे उसके आसपास खेलते थे. One day an artist came, and that artist saw that this is an amazing stone. So he went close to that stone, tapped it, touched it, felt it, and the villagers laughed and said, "Arey, kya kar rahe ho? Ye to patthar hai." And he said something which stayed with me, that you see a stone, but I see the idol inside it. So the villagers laughed and said, "Arey, how do you see an idol inside it?" So he took the stone with him, and after a few months, he came back with a sculpture. And a sculpture so profound that villagers and town people traveled to that village from far and wide. The villagers were stunned. I think for all of us, that is something which is very important, that there is possibility, there is a spark inside each one of us, and that is the role of a great school, to identify that talent. हर बच्चे को आप अगर एक स्पार्क की तरह नजर से देखेंगे, every child has something, a gift that God has given them. It is just that they unravel it at their different times. At DPS Nashik, our role is not just to ensure that children do amazing academically. Our role is to ensure that they think independently, they speak confidently, they ask questions fearlessly, and become kind, grounded human beings. We also recognize that success is not just about academics, and success is not just about marks. A success is a culmination when courage, consistency, and the belief that you are made for something bigger comes together. To our teachers, you are the real sculptors. You work tirelessly day in and day out, sometimes not even realizing the impact that you are making. And to our most amazing parents, thank you for reposing this trust in us. An amazing school becomes amazing when both the parent and the school walk together. It is a partnership where the child is at the center of it and both of us work in tandem. And my message to our students has always been this and continues to be this, that dream one size bigger. अगर आपको लगता है कि you can run 1 kilometer, try for 2. अगर आपको लगता है you can speak for 1 minute, try for 3. If you think you will score 80 in exams, aim for a 90. Always and always aim one size bigger, because you have it in you to achieve great things. God has given all of us the possibilities, the potential to excel. It is upon us to find that star within us. Parents, I promise you that we will continue to build DPS Nasik into a school where every child gets the opportunities, exposure, support, and love they need to discover who they truly are. Let tonight be a celebration not just of talent, but of possibilities. Not just of what our children have done, but of what they can do. I truly hope that you enjoy the evening. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir, for your thoughtful and inspiring words. Now, I would like to call upon our respected principal, ma'am, to share with us the annual report of the school.
Jai Hind. A very good evening to everyone. Esteemed guests, dignitaries, dear parents, teachers, and my beloved students. Today, as I stand before you, I am reminded of a small seed that was planted years ago. In 2013, a seed full of hope, dreams and possibilities. This seed was our school. Like every seed, it needed sunlight, the parental trust, water, our teachers' dedication, and soil, our student enthusiasm. Our vision, mission, and motto reflect all these things. With time, this tiny seed has grown into a strong, flourishing tree whose branches have now spread wide, providing shade, support, and inspiration to many young minds. Every school year at DPS is a Katha. I know Katha is not happening as an event, but for us, every school year is a Katha. Rather, I would say every day is a Katha. Katha, a story of challenges, efforts, and transformations. A story woven with dreams, effort, and reflection. This year, our story began with a mirror, the Trinetra feedback shared by our parents. Like a wise friend, it showed us where we stood and where we could reach. These insights became our guiding light of our journey. Across academics, co-curriculars, sports, administration, and many more, every wing of our school worked with a purpose, strengthening teaching practices, supporting students, and raising our standards step by step. Slowly, the results began to bloom in classrooms, performances, competitions, and in the proud achievements of our students. Today's presentation shares this journey, what we learned from Trinetra, what we worked on, and how these efforts transformed learning and outcomes across the school. And as every story comes with a full circle, we conclude with the latest Trinetra feedback, a reflection of how far we have grown together as a school that listens and evolves with the community. With pride and gratitude, I present the annual report, not just as events and numbers, but as a school's katha, a living story of reflection, effort, and transformation. Let us now turn the pages of this beautiful journey.
At Delhi Public School, Nasik, we believe that rigor builds results. This year, our students once again demonstrated exceptional academic excellence, carrying forward the legacy of our illustrious alumni. Our former students continue to shine across the world, from chartered accountants, doctors, engineers, and architects, to criminologists, data scientists, software engineers, interior designers, pilots, and scholars pursuing higher studies at IITs, BITS, JJ Hospital, KEM, and other prestigious global universities. Their journeys stand as a testament to the strong foundation laid at Delhi Public School, Nasik, a foundation built on discipline, hard work, and purpose-driven learning. The academic year witnessed outstanding performances in board examinations, asset assessments, and our in-house programs, IgniteX, Photon, and Pulse. Smart preparation and strong results have been the hallmark of these initiatives, pushing our students to learn deeper, faster, and smarter. We celebrated our young authors through the Write a Book initiative, strengthened reading habits through our bespoke library and Anandam sessions, nurtured curiosity through hands-on nature-based learning experiences. Forest school experiences, Montessori practices, and inquiry-based explorations opened new doors for learning. We continue to believe that curiosity is the spark that lights the path to understanding. We also work closely with our parent community, guiding them with effective strategies to support their children's learning journey at home. Teachers are the building blocks of our institution. This year, our faculty engaged in extensive professional training through HRDC, CBSE, and expert-led programs. Workshops in foundational numeracy, emergent literacy, AI integration, psychology, climate studies, competency-based assessments, curriculum development, and innovative pedagogy enriched classroom practices and strengthened our academic environment. We ensure that learning goes far beyond textbooks. Our environmental initiatives with the Green Ball, Ghanta Gadi Awareness Song, Zero Hunger Program, and projects aligned with the Sustainable Development Goals help students understand their responsibility in creating a better tomorrow. We are proud to share that Delhi Public School Nasik has earned the Climate Action School Certificate for the 4th consecutive year and has been honored with the Sustainability Superstar Award. EcoBricks, Har Ghar Neem, clothing donation drives, tinkering labs, and entrepreneurship projects further empowered students to lead with purpose and compassion. Global connections remain strong through virtual collaborations with Russia, Japan, Morocco, Ghana, NASA's ECCP camp, and more than 200 schools worldwide. The Inspire author visits enriched literacy exposure and connected our young readers with celebrated writers. Through all these initiatives, our students proved that small actions create big change. Character building remained at the heart of our curriculum through Samurja, Samitra, and Seva Bhav programs. These initiatives nurtured resilience, empathy, teamwork, and community service, qualities that shape responsible, grounded, and compassionate human beings. Through Trinetra feedback and structured reflection cycles, students learned to pause, think, and improve. We believe that reflection helps us move ahead flawlessly, empowering our learners to take ownership of their academic and personal growth. This year was marked by remarkable achievements through scholastic and co-scholastic domains, including science Olympiads, the Maidan Quiz, and multiple academic competitions. Our students brought laurels at the district, division, state, national, and international levels in lawn tennis, skating, basketball, swimming, Kathak, table tennis, karate, tabla, Olympiads, logic quiz, and many more. Each achievement is a celebration of passion, persistence, and discipline. These accomplishments continue to elevate DPS Nasik's reputation as a school committed to excellence in every dimension: academics, arts, sports, and character.
As we come to the end of this year's story, we realize that every chapter, every effort, and every improvement you have seen in the presentation leads us to one powerful thought. How can we give our children even better support, better time, and better care? Our board results speak for themselves, assuring us that we are on the right path. Our toppers have shown that the harvest of success we reap today is the result of years of dedication. And this excellence is not new. This year too, we are confident of achieving a hat trick, another city topper from our school. But we know we can even do more. Our students have immense potential and they deserve every opportunity to rise higher. With this belief, we strengthen our academic programs by introducing Pulse for grades 8 to 10 and Photon for grades 11 and 12. From the academic year 2026-27, Pulse will also begin in grade 7. Pulse and Photon are known for smart preparation and exceptional outcomes. These batches focus on building a strong foundation for competitive exams through expert design, syllabi, additional study support, and specialized mentoring in core subjects like mathematics and science. After every Pulse Photon test, students receive detailed reports and personalized data to help them refine their preparation with clarity and purpose. In Pulse, along with NCERT learning, we ensure that foundation is fully strengthened. In Photon, our students are guided by full-time mentors, expert IITians who walk them through every step of their preparation. I am delighted to share that the entrance tests for the upcoming grade 7 and grade 8 Pulse batches received an overwhelming response from our students and parents. And while we celebrate academic excellence, our deep sights are also soaring high in the world of sports. Fencing, football, basketball, table tennis, badminton, swimming, cricket, every sport mentored at DPS now shines at the CBSE national level. In Chetna and Samarpan wings too, we stand proudly behind these young achievers, supporting them at every step. These successes reaffirmed a powerful realization. When academics and sports grow together, we can give our children the very best. And with that thought, today marks the beginning of a new chapter. Just as a tree grows stronger when its roots are held gently and firmly, our students too flourish when they receive consistent guidance, a supportive environment, and time that is truly theirs. With this vision, I am happy to share that the school is now opening a new boys' hostel, a home within the school campus, where learning will not end with the last bell, and where every child will have more time, more mentorship, and more opportunities to grow. This hostel is not just a building, it is a promise that we will walk with our students a little longer each day, help them shape their habits, enrich their studies, and nurture their talents beyond classroom hours. I would like to make a special mention about the weekly boarding facility that we'll be providing to our students. It is our hope that this new beginning will strengthen the bond between students and school and help us guide them more closely, academically, emotionally, and personally. As we close this year's journey and prepare to open the next, may this new chapter bring even greater growth, discipline, and empowerment to every child who becomes part of this extended family. Thank you for being part of this story and for trusting us with your children's future. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for highlighting the achievements and setting a delightful tone for the rest of the evening. And now, it is our privilege to invite our guest of honor, Mr. Pradeep Merale, sir, to kindly address the gathering. Your words will surely inspire and guide us as we step into a future filled with possibilities.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, thanks administration of DPS, principal ma'am, as well as Sri Gautam Rajgiriya sir, to inviting me as a guest of honor today evening. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले सर ने बताया कि इसी पत्थर को तराशने के लिए, मतलब तराशने के बारे में उन्होंने स्टोरी बताई। पत्थर से क्या बनेगा ये वो तराशने वाले कारागिर के ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है। लाइक दैट हमारे बच्चे जो है आगे फ्यूचर में कौन सा करियर चूज करेंगे, हाउ दे विल डेवलप, हाउ दे विल कमांड, हाउ दे विल बिकम अ गुड लीडर, इट डिपेंड्स टोटली अपॉन द टीचर्स। एंड I am very sure and happy. Abhi being a police officer, we are not able to give much more attention to our kids and childrens. But जब से हमने यहाँ पे दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल में हमारे बच्चों का एडमिशन किया है, we are sure कि वो they are in good and safe hands. Because in दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल not only academics में ध्यान दिया जाता है, but always overall development of the student, इसके ऊपर ज्यादा फोकस किया जाता है। हाउ दे कैन बिकम अ वर्सेटाइल पर्सनैलिटी, इट इज अ टारगेट ऑफ ऑल द टीचर, टीचिंग स्टाफ एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हियर। जब हम छोटे थे, जब हम स्कूल में जाते थे, उस वक्त हमारे टीचर्स डिसिप्लिन लाने के लिए दे यूज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट एंड हार्ड मेजर्स। बट नाउअडेज बच्चों के मेंटल हेल्थ और सारी चीजों को देख के लॉ भी स्ट्रिक्ट हो चुके हैं। इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू use all that methods nowadays, but still teaching staff जिस तरह से हमारे बच्चों को हैंडल करते हैं, जिस तरह से कम्युनिकेशन स्किल के साथ उनको डेवलप करते हैं, I would like to thank all the teaching staff for that. अब हम देखेंगे कि हमारी कंट्री की जो ग्रोथ है, आगे चल के जो हमारी कंट्री संभालने वाले जो बच्चे लीडरशिप है, वो उनके उस डेवलपमेंट के लिए सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हमारे जो बच्चे जिस तरह से आगे चल के डेवलप होंगे। अभी आप देखेंगे कि जो टेररिज्म इससे पहले देश की सरहदों पे था, दैट हैज कम टू आवर डोर्स, हमारे दरवाजे तक आ चुका है। हाउ, यहाँ पे मैं बात करूंगा साइबर रिलेटेड क्राइम्स की, साइबर टेररिज्म की। जो हमारे पड़ोसी मुल्क है, उनकी खुद की इकोनॉमी इतनी खराब है कि वो कुछ खुद के देश के लिए कर नहीं सकते, बट दे ड्रीम टू डिस्ट्रॉय अवर कंट्री। उसके लिए उनको जो फंड चाहिए होता है, दैट कम्स फ्रॉम द साइबर अटैक्स, नार्को टेररिज्म एंड ऑल अदर थिंग्स। इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि वी शुड थिंक अबाउट इट। जब हम किसी भी साइबर रिलेटेड इश्यूज हमारे पास आते हैं, तो उसके बारे में अवेयरनेस होना भी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। आई एम टॉकिंग दिस हियर बिकॉज जो टीनेजर्स यहाँ पे है, 8th स्टैंडर्ड से लेके 10th स्टैंडर्ड से लेके, या फिर जो यहाँ पे महिलाएं बैठी हुए हैं, दे मोस्टली यूज सोशल मीडिया, और उसमें बहुत सारे लिंक्स और इसको वो क्लिक करते हैं, या फिर किसी तरह से वो दे आर इन ट्रैप इन सच अ वे दैट कि जो साइबर अटैकर्स है उनसे वो रैंसम की मांग करते हैं, वो उनको गलत तरीके से यूटिलाइज करते हैं, उनकी पोटेंशियल गलत तरीके से यूटिलाइज करते हैं। They grab money from them and they use this money to buy the terrorism training, also to provide the arms and ammunitions which are used against our society and which are used for our attacks. Recently हमने देखा होगा कि दिल्ली में ब्लास्ट हुआ, अटैक भी हुआ इससे पहले। So ये सारी चीजें जो है नार्को टेररिज्म और साइबर टेररिज्म से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी चीजें अब बढ़ रही है, और पेरेंट्स के लिए ज्यादा जरूरी है कि अभी तो बच्चे सोशल मीडिया के यूज करते हैं, बट साथ ही में जो पेरेंट्स है, दे शुड ऑल्सो बी अवेयर। जो चीजें दिल्ली में हुई, बॉम्बे में हुई, उसी तरह की सारी नासिक में भी बहुत सारे वाइटल इंस्टॉलेशन है, जैसे कि HL है, करेंसी नोट प्रेस है, और बहुत सारे अभी कुंभ का मेला भी आने वाला है आगे चल के। तो इसलिए वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल एंड अलर्ट फॉर दैट। और ये सारी चीजें मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ कि जब तक हमारे पास हम ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट वी आर डेवलपिंग देम एज अ ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट, बट साथ ही में दे शुड बी विद गुड कैरेक्टर्स एंड गुड कल्चर। और दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल में ये सारी चीज़ों के ऊपर ध्यान दिया जाता है। दे आर ग्रोइंग एज अ वर्सेटाइल पर्सनैलिटी, एंड इसकी वजह से आगे चल के जो अभी हमने देखा कि जो रिपोर्ट कार्ड यहाँ पे मैडम ने अभी शेयर किया था, उसमें जो स्टूडेंट्स है दे आर नॉट ओनली इन एकेडमिकली गुड बट ऑल्सो इन ऑल द टाइप ऑफ द फील्ड्स दे आर शोइंग देयर स्टार्स। यहाँ पे आप सब ने मुझे इनवाइट किया, इसके लिए मैं फिर से एक बार मैनेजमेंट का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ और मेरे दो शब्द खत्म करता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।